Hello everyone, you're welcome to Kharis tutorials on Africa TV. I'm Simeon Grace. Today I'll be taking us on how to sew a monostrap dress with high low case split flay. In our last class, we've done the cutting where we have the flay, we have excess flay because we're going to pleat, and we have the front high while the back is low. Also, we have the half length and we have the back where we have another material to join to the half length. Today we'll be doing all the sewing. So let's move on. This is the front, this is the back, and this is the material, the one we're adding to the half length. The first thing I'm going to do is to join the shoulder. I'm going to join the shoulder, then I'll turn the edge with my bias binding. I'm going to turn this in first before attaching it to the main blouse. So I'm going to fold it in. Having done that, I'm going to bring the front. This is the front. So I'm going to bring it this way, and I'll place the front lining on it, and I'll join it straight. So this is what we have. Whatever I've done to the front, I'm going to do the same to the back. So the same thing I did here is what I'll be repeating on the back panel. The back panel too is ready. The next thing I'm going to do from here, the next thing I'm going to do is to bring out the shape from the side, and to do that I'm going to turn it. And I'll bring out the shape. We have the bust measurements. The bust is 32 inches, so 32 divided by 2 is 16 inches. Here I have 17 inches. That means I'm going to hold half inch on each side. The under bust circumference is 26 inches. 26 divided by 2 is 13. And here altogether I have 14 inches. So 14 inches, that means I have 1 inch excess. I'm going to divide the 1 inch on each side. That's half inch and half inch. So we're going to join. Having done that, we move to the base of our blouse, and which is the flap part of it. The first thing I'm going to do is to place the lining on the flap, and I'm going to join the base round. I'm going to join it round, and I'll notch and top stitch on the lining. So now we're going to attach it to the half length of our blouse. But first I need to get the middle and notch. So having done this, the next thing is to close the sides. I'm going to close the sides, then I'll get the middle before fixing this to the half length of our blouse. So this is the middle. I'm going to notch this. Also, I'm going to fold into two, leaving some inches for the zip. This is the back, so I'm going to leave the zip space, the zip allowance, and I'm going to notch also. So now, fixing this now, I have the side, this is the side. So I'm going to bring the first notched part, I'm going to align it with the side joining. So I'm going to pleat all this to this point. You can have any type of pleat. You can decide the pleats of your choice. Also, this is the middle. So I'll bring the middle to meet with the middle of the half length. Also, I'm going to hold it down and I'll continue the rest like that. So I'm going to pleat all this here. So I'm going to start gradually. What I have here is kiss pleats. So you can see one to this side and the other facing it. One to this side, the other facing it. Like that. One to this side, the other one facing it. So that's the kiss pleat. It's a matter of choice anyway. You can have any type of pleat you want. So this is what we have. This is what we have. From here, the next thing we are going to do is to fix the zip. So let's move on. Now we move to the last thing, which is fixing the sleeve. So the sleeve, this sleeve is the part where we are fixing. So this and this is the off shoulder. This side is the off shoulder, so we are fixing this to the other side. So first I need to fold in the edge of this part before fixing it to the side, and this I'll just fold in the base. I'll fold into two and bring out the round sleeve measurement before fixing it to the other side of our blouse. So let's move on. Okay, so this is it. We have the front. After folding the sleeve, all you just need to do is measure the round sleeve measurement divided by 2, join it, then bring the joined parts on the sleeve and the one on the side, bring them together, make sure it's aligned, then you join round. That's all. This is the front and the back. Make sure to weave all necessary places and iron as well in order to have a neat finish. This is the end of our tutorial. I'm sure you like it. This is nice, not bad. So, thanks for watching Kharis tutorials. I'm sure you enjoyed the class. If you do, click on the subscribe button and don't forget to click the notification button so as to get notification for our new posts. I still remain Simeon Grace. You can follow us on Facebook and on Instagram at Afriq TV. And you can follow me on Facebook and on Instagram at Kharis Kreations. Till I see you next class. Bye.